Okay, now we're going to be dealing with the meter when it actually deals with a customer. So now we're going to pretend that we are picking up one passenger, and now that we're in front of the residence, the passenger is now entering into the cab. So exactly what do we do with our meter once the passenger comes in? Now for our example today, we're only going to be dealing with one passenger entering. So what do we do first? The passenger enters. The first thing we're going to do is push button 1. There we see our $4 on the left-hand side. And then we're going to go to button 2, and we're going to turn our timer on. And again, remember, button number 3, which we're about to push, will not work if button 2 has not been pressed first. So make sure you remember that. All right, so far we push button 1, we push button 2, and now we're going to push button 3. Remember, in the right-hand side of our screen, it'll be 50-cent increments. So we're going to put in $1 for our gas surcharge. So there's our $1. And due to the fact that there's only one passenger, that's all the extras that we need to put in here. Now, before we leave out of the driveway, we need to go back to button 2 now and turn the timer off. So you want to see the words time off on your meter. So now we're making our journey, and due to the fact that this $4 is good for 2 miles, so we're going to pretend that the passenger we have in our cab hasn't even gone 2 miles, which means this $4 would have not gotten any larger. So now we're at the destination, and so the last thing we're going to do when we get to our destination is hit button 1 off. So when we hit button 1 off, you're going to see the meter blink for 2 or 3 seconds, and then it will go blank. And that's exactly what will happen in your real life situation. So let's go ahead and hit button 1 off. Notice it blinking on the far right. And now it's going to go blank completely. And now it's time to receive our payment.